How to lock mouse and screen in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this video, I'll show you a super simple trick to lock your mouse on the screen in Roblox. This method works great if you want your mouse to stay in one position while playing. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go ahead and open the Roblox application and then log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you simply want to go ahead and start any game of your choice. So for now, I'm going to be choosing this one. Go ahead and start it. Give it a few moments to load completely. Once the game is loaded, you simply want to go ahead and decide where you would like your mouse to stay on the screen. Now simply right click and hold the mouse button to lock it in the desired position. While still holding the right click, unplug your mouse from your computer or device. After unplugging, plug your mouse back in and you'll notice that the cursor stays in the position where it was held. And that's it guys, it's locked. Now you know how to lock your mouse on the screen on Roblox. I hope this trick helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.